Something colossal is stirring beneath our oceans, something NASA was never meant to study, yet did. In the darkest depths of the Atlantic, miles below human reach, instruments have picked up geometric echoes, shapes too symmetrical to be natural. They call it Project Oceanus, a classified mission so secret, even its existence was erased from NASA's public archives. And what it found could change everything we know about life beneath the sea.
It began quietly in 2012 when deep ocean probes detected an anomaly 7 miles below the surface, a cluster of perfectly aligned structures stretching for almost 2 kilometers. The readings showed metal signatures, titanium, nickel, and a trace of iridium, elements resistant to extreme pressure. At first, NASA's oceanographic division dismissed it as a geological illusion, until one probe transmitted something extraordinary, a rhythmic sonar pulse, repeating every 47 seconds, like a heartbeat echoing from the abyss. Within weeks, the feed was cut, and the project vanished from all public databases. 3 years later, a former NASA contractor leaked fragments of what he called Operation Oceanus. Among them, a single high-resolution sonar frame showing something impossible, a dome. A perfect hemisphere almost half a mile wide, surrounded by what appeared to be corridors or tunnels. Experts argued it was pareidolia, humans seeing patterns where none exist. But one thing couldn't be explained: the temperature readings. The area around the structure was 30 degrees warmer than the surrounding seabed, as if something inside was still active.
When journalists filed FOIA requests about Project Oceanus, NASA responded with a phrase never used before: "No such mission designation exists." Yet leaked internal emails tell a different story. Correspondence between NASA, NOAA, and the U.S. Navy discussing non-biological formations of unknown origin. If it wasn't biological, and it wasn't geological, then what was it?
Independent researchers later recreated the sonar data, and the pattern shocked even skeptics. 12 major structures aligned perfectly to cardinal directions: north, south, east, west. Such precision doesn't exist in nature. Every coordinate corresponded to the golden ratio, the same geometry used in ancient monuments from Egypt to Peru. Coincidence? Or a blueprint that humanity once shared with something far older? Some archaeologists believe Oceanus could be the final proof of a pre-Ice Age civilization, a society that vanished when sea levels rose 12,000 years ago. Plato's description of Atlantis spoke of circular walls, canals, and shining metal temples beneath the waves. Now, sonar images show rings and corridors uncannily similar. If true, then humanity's first cities may not have been built on land, but under the ocean. In 2019, deep-sea monitoring stations near the Mid-Atlantic Ridge picked up a faint repeating frequency, 37 Hz, the same pattern recorded during the Oceanus mission years earlier. The source? 7.2 miles below. Every time satellites passed overhead, the signal briefly spiked, as if responding to them. Experts say it's tectonic movement, but others, including radio astronomer Avi Loeb, call it structured resonance, a type of signal impossible from rock alone. Declassified naval logs hint that a submersible probe, codenamed Trident 04, actually reached the site before losing contact. For 12 seconds, its onboard camera streamed video, showing hexagonal pillars and luminous vents arranged in a perfect circle. When the feed cut, the last frame showed something moving, a flicker of light darting between structures.
Since then, NASA has neither confirmed nor denied the footage. But one engineer's statement survived. Whatever's down there, it's not dead.
Let's examine the data. Depth, 11,200 meters. Pressure, over 16,000 psi. Ambient temperature, 2 degrees Celsius, yet hotspot readings hit 33 degrees Celsius. Metal traces, 90% nickel titanium composite. That alloy matches no known natural formation. It does, however, resemble nitinol, a memory metal developed by NASA itself. So either nature replicated human technology, or someone was using it long before us. 3 main theories now dominate scientific circles. 1. The ancient technology theory, remnants of a forgotten advanced culture. 2. The extraterrestrial relay theory, an alien outpost designed to monitor Earth's oceans. 3. The Black Project theory, a human-built base funded off-record for deep-sea energy research. All 3 sound impossible, yet every theory explains part of the data and none can explain it all. By 2024, independent observatories from Japan, France, and the US began collaborating under a single program, Deep Signal Net. Their conclusion? The Oceanus region emits a consistent magnetic anomaly detectable from orbit. Something big, metallic, and organized is down there. Still, NASA remains silent. No statements, no denials. Only one press line. Our focus is on exoplanets, not oceanic structures. If Project Oceanus truly exists, then we may be looking at the reverse of the space race. Not reaching the stars, but reclaiming the depths. Because whoever controls the deep ocean controls the planet's last unexplored frontier. And maybe NASA isn't hiding life from us. Maybe it's protecting life still living below. In one leaked memo, a line stands out. Oceanus, containment protocols remain active. Containment, not exploration. That single word changes everything. If something needs to be contained, it's either dangerous or valuable beyond measure. Recent acoustic analysis reveals the 47-second pulse carries harmonic overtones, forming a mathematical constant, 137th, the fine structure constant that defines how light interacts with matter. It's a universal number. If an intelligent civilization wanted to announce its presence using physics itself, this is how they'd do it. So what lies beneath the Atlantic's deepest shadow? A relic of humanity's forgotten dawn, or technology from somewhere beyond the stars? Maybe both. Until NASA breaks its silence, Project Oceanus remains our greatest underwater mystery, a city that breathes in the dark, a heartbeat waiting to be heard again. And one day, when the oceans fall silent, we might finally learn who built it and why.